In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage bills and payments in Xero. We'll start right from your Xero dashboard so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, head to the Purchases area. This is your central hub for everything you owe. Think supplier invoices, amounts due, and upcoming payments. Inside Purchases, open Bills. Here, you'll see your list of bills organized by status, which makes it easy to keep track of what's awaiting approval, what's due soon, and what's already been paid. To add a new bill, choose New Bill. This opens a blank bill where you'll record what you owe to a supplier. In the From field, select the supplier you're paying. If the supplier already exists, start typing their name and pick the correct one. Choosing the right supplier here is important because it ensures accurate reporting, contact history, and payment details later on. Next, enter the due date. Be sure to match the terms on the invoice you received, such as due on receipt, by days, or end of month. Getting the due date right helps with cash flow planning and keeps late fees at bay. If you manage multiple bills, consider scanning your upcoming list to avoid overlaps and bunching payments too closely together. Now, select the item you're being charged for. This is where you capture what the bill is actually for: products, services, or standard items you regularly purchase. Selecting the correct item helps Xero post the cost to the right accounts, so your profit and loss and tracking categories stay accurate. If the bill includes multiple items, add each one on its own line, so quantities, unit prices, and totals are clear and easy to review. Once you've checked the supplier due date and items, click Approve. Approving locks in the bill as something you intend to pay and moves it into your list of awaiting payment. If you need to revisit it later, you'll find it under Bills with an approved status. When you're ready to pay, select a bill from your list and choose Make Payment. This takes you to the payment screen where you can confirm details like the bank account you're paying from, the payment date, and the amount you want to settle, whether it's the full balance or a partial payment. Finally, click Confirm and Pay. Xero records the payment against the bill and updates your balances so your payables stay tidy and up to date. That's it. Create, approve, and pay all in one smooth workflow. Follow this process each time and you'll keep your bills accurate, your payments timely, and your books in great shape.